Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix a cheesecake, no bake. The only hang up about this cheesecake is after you fix it, it needs to sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours to firm up. So it doesn't take long to fix it, it's just that you've got to wait for it to firm up. What you need is, of course, Graham Crust Pie Crust. You need your cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of sour cream, a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoonsful of vanilla, and that's all you need. Just mix it all together. And you need your Cool Whip. So let's get started. I've had my cream cheese sitting out just a little bit, so it would be getting soft. And we need 1 cup of just regular sugar. The first thing we need to do is we need to cream my cream cheese until it gets, it says to beat until it gets soft. Okay, and then gradually beat in your sugar. And it says to blend in your sour cream and your vanilla flavoring. And you need a cup of sour cream. Two teaspoonsful of vanilla. Definitely gives it a good smell. And we need a tub, 3 cups, 3½ cups of Cool Whip. And that really softened up real good. So we'll add the Cool Whip. It says to fold in Cool Whip. Blending well. We'll get it all out of this container. And then I'll just blend it all real good. Now let's just blend this all together real well. I'm going to use a whisk just to blend it in. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you're all having a nice morning. And the last thing we have to do is take our pie crust and just get this in the pie crust. You really can't, I don't think, make one any simpler than this. And you're going to be amazed how it is once it firms up a little bit. Now I'm not going to put a topping on this one because I've had some people that do not like toppings, so we're just going to be cheesecake. I could have made it a little bit smoother, couldn't I? Okay. There is the cheesecake. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and it needs to chill for at least 4 hours. And we'll come back. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe, join my channel, and offer me your comments. Okay, this has been in the refrigerator for 4 hours now, so let's see what we have got. Well, it really turned out good. It has a very good flavor to it. It's not as as thick as I thought it was going to be, but it is really good and it's quick and easy. Okay, Round the House with Kay and Tom. A no-bake cheesecake, a cheese pie really. Very good. Join my channel. Come back to see me. Give me your comments. Have a fantastic day.